Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha narrated that when false accusations were made against me, I was unaware of them. After some time, I learned about the matter. One day the Prophet ﷺ was sitting with me when revelation began to descend upon him. During the revelation, the Prophet ﷺ experienced intense sweating and discomfort. After the revelation, he lifted his head, wiped the sweat from his forehead and said, Aisha, rejoice, for Allah has declared your innocence. I responded with gratitude to Allah, and then Prophet ﷺ recited the verses, Indeed, those who accuse chaste, unaware, and believing women are cursed in this world and the hereafter, and they will have a great punishment. Quran Surah 24 verse 23. Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23622.